Alright, hello guys. This one will be a quick video where I will share with you how to do business walks in the most effective way. And also this is a video supported with some experience of myself doing it. So first one I will be quickly, so take notes because if you want to make it you have to do it right in the right way, and this is what works for me. So first, and the last one is the most important. So you want to stay at the final. So first one, you have to be ready with a presentation, something like a PowerPoint where you can quickly share your ideas and your services because they are busy and they have not all the time of the world to talk to hurt all your shits. So the first one, be ready with a PowerPoint. Alright? Now the second one, this is a very important. You have to be confident. Just maybe in the in your mind you're shitting yourself, but in the in his point of view they have to see you confident of yourself. All right, be confident. All right. The third one, if possible, you have to be ready with some answers to frequent questions. I Some of the prospects asked me a lot of what you need to work or what's the next steps, and they mean about the onboarding process. So you have to have an idea. All right. So third, be ready with some frequent questions that you think they could ask. All right. So the fourth is, and this is the most important. So this is what really makes a difference for me, and I mean really difference, and is that you have to dress formally, just like this with the dress. I don't know how to say it this because I'm still learning how to. My vocabulary is still like okay. That's not important. So you have to stick in your mind that how they see you is how they are going to treat you. If they see you dressing as I don't know, as like a crocodile, they will treat you as a piece of shit. Alright? So that's very important. And this is how the words works. Alright? So I don't want you to I don't want to hear shits about it. That's the truth. Alright? So dress formally, dress oh fuck. Dress correctly. And a extra tip. And this is one of the this is very important. You want to talk with the owner or with the decision maker, all right? That's very important. You don't want to talk with the dog. All right? So, with that in mind, thank you for your attention. I hope you have taken notes. You have taken notes about this because if you want to make it successfully, this will help you a lot. So, with that being said, thank you for your attention. See you soon.